Hey, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Jason Yamamoto, and today we're going to be correcting some form. You see what kind of exercise he's doing? It was supposed to be the cable ab crunch, right? But he totally messed that one up. First of all, if you're going to be doing this particular exercise, please do it on the floor. Alright? What you want to do is have the cable over your head and your knees planted on the floor. Have your elbows drive towards your knees, right? And if you're going to do it on the bench, please have a stable bench where the bench doesn't move. The issue is that he wasn't stabilized before he even attempted to do his rep. But anyways, guys, it's your boy Jason Yamamoto, and I'll see you guys later. 9, 3